What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a sinkhole cover cap. If you guys are new to this channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. So what I'm talking about is we're going to be removing this hot water dispenser, this instant hot water dispenser faucet, and we're going to be left with a hole right here. But maybe you've removed one of those spray hoses or a soap dispenser or even a garbage disposal button. All those are going to leave you with a nice big hole in your sink that you're going to need to cover up, or water's going to go down and ruin your lower cabinet. So let me go ahead and pull this out. We'll go ahead and make sure we clean that surface real well, get off all that sediment and anything. We don't want that messing up our seal. A flat blade, razor blade works pretty well to scrape any of that sediment off, that hard water buildup. Mix it with a little soap. Go ahead and clean on the underside of the hole as well. Then I'll go ahead and clean the surface with a little bit of rubbing alcohol or acetone just to get any of that other residue left over. Okay, so then you're going to want to pick up one of these sinkhole covers. This is a universal one. They do come in different finishes for the top to match your sink. You're going to want to get one of these ones that has the screw-on nut on the bottom, not the snap-on ones. This is the good one. I'll make sure I put some links down in the description to one of these, as well as the other tools and supplies we're going to be using today, like this basin wrench. Okay, if we unscrew that nut all the way from the bottom of the cap, there's a sort of foamy rubber gasket. We're going to leave that pushed up underneath the cap. We're gonna drop that cap on top. Okay, now we're gonna thread this nut, and we're gonna thread the flat part of the nut, like the washer part. That's gonna be facing upwards. We're gonna thread it all the way tight by hand, as tight as we can by hand. Then we're gonna go back up and we're gonna adjust it because it's shifted now, but it's easier to get the fine adjustments with it snug down. Okay, now this is where you're gonna wanna use that basin wrench that I showed you. The teeth are gonna lock onto the nut. We can tighten it. It's shifting around some still, so you're gonna kinda have to tighten it, then adjust it up there, and then come back down here and tighten it a little more until you get it locked in where you want it. Well, the threaded part's kind of spinning, so you just got to hold on to it with some pliers gently because it's only made out of plastic. Hold on to the threads while we use our basin wrench to tighten that nut. There we go. That's allowing me to tighten it and hold it at the same time. Gotta come back up here and make sure that it's staying where you want it to stay. Okay, I got it nice and snugged and tightened down, and that foam washer crushes, so the whole cover will be pretty flat to the sink. That's when you know it's been tightened. Now these easily can be removed just by taking that nut out if, say, you want to use the hole again for something. And if you do have any troubles with any leaks, you can go ahead and put a bead of silicone under here, or even some plumber's putty will stop any future leaks if you have any issues with that. So hopefully you guys found something in this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.